Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my experiences with blue and purple shampoos and masks. If you guys are new to the channel, hi, my name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So before I dive right into it, I also want to emphasize that I'm not a hairdresser. I am a hair and makeup enthusiast. I've just been dyeing my hair, bleaching my hair for so long now, and I've used these products, like these Fanola products, for the last 2 years, switching between the two of them. So I can give you guys my opinion on both of them and just share my experiences with you guys. So let's get started. So let's go with like the traditional or the recommendation as to who should use the blue, who should use the purple. So traditionally the blue shades are more for orangey hair, hence the no orange line. So if you have, let's say, light brown to dirty blonde hair, that particular hair range still has a little bit of orangey tones in it, like reddy orangey tones in it, and this will counteract that and give you a nice cooler tone of brown or dirty blonde. And then traditionally for the no yellow range, or just purple shampoos in general, these ones are aimed at people that have light blonde hair. Now that we've gotten the traditional who it's for out of the way, I'm going to share with you guys my experience. So currently this is the shade of blonde that I have. I think the camera is picking my hair up a little bit more yellow than normal, but I'm currently going for that champagne blonde shade. I used bleach and I also toned it with a level 8 hair color. I think it's faded out a little bit more now, but this is the color that I like. And to maintain this hair color, I've actually been using the no orange shades, so both the shampoo and the conditioner, just to maintain this shade. Just because there is a little bit of orange still towards the root, but even the ends, I just prefer it for this particular hair color that I currently have. The reason being is if you have very light hair and you use the no orange shades, it actually gives your hair more of a white tone to it. So I don't know if you can see it from that distance, but the ends of my hair are definitely more giving it more of a white sort of like tone as opposed to silver. When you go ahead and use the purple shampoo and conditioner or mask, they tend to give you more silvery hair. And you know, it just really depends on the season for me and how I like to present myself for that particular period of time. At the moment it's currently summer here in Australia, so I still want to have that warm tone in my hair. That's why I'm going for this champagne look, and I find that these actually work really well at maintaining that almost just giving it a nice cool effect, but not completely removing the yellow out of my hair. Whereas if I use these on my hair right now, a lot of the yellow would be completely gone, and I wouldn't say like completely silvery unless I left it on for very long, but it would turn it more like a beige blonde, if that makes sense. So yeah, you could go traditionally and just go for purple if you have very light blonde hair, but if you guys would like to try a different tone of blonde, maybe try out the blue range, because that's going to give you a nice different effect to your hair. Another advantage that I have discovered using blue shampoo and conditioner is that it's more forgiving if you have different shades of blonde in your hair. So I don't know if this has happened to you guys, but it happens to me quite often when I use the purple range, is that if I haven't bleached evenly, the ends of my hair that are really porous and bleach, they will absorb so much of the pigment and it will just go quite silvery grey, and then the rest of the hair is sort of still left. There's a very distinct contrast between the ends of my hair and like the root shaft area. Whereas with the blue, when I have that same problem, because the way I bleach my hair is like this. I bleach my roots only, so the ends of my hair tend to have a little bit of sun bleaching as well, and a little bit of overlapping, because I'm not a professional, I just do it myself, so there's a little bit of overlap, so the ends of my hair tend to be very, very light, as opposed to the root. And I found with the blue range, if I use it exactly the same way as the purple, it's not as obvious that there's two different tones. I'm not really sure why. Maybe because it's going from white to a blonde shade as opposed to like a blonde to a silver, where that's just very obvious, I think. I don't know. Personally, I just like the no orange at the moment, just because of this particular hair color I'm sporting. But come winter time, that's when I tend to go for more platinum blonde shades. I will revert back to the purple range. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions on the blue and purple shampoo debate, which one is best for you. If you guys would like me to do a proper review, like I said, on either range, definitely let me know. I'm trying to get my hands on the foam as well, the new purple foam. I'll do a demonstration on that as soon as I get my hands on it. So yeah, there you guys go. That is my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you guys would like to see more content from me, and if you guys would like to see more behind the scenes sort of like footage and stuff like that, head over to my Instagram. I try and upload daily on my Instagram stories, and I'm also quite active in posting as well. So yeah, there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.